you have decided to remodel your kitchen or at least make some small changes, we have an amazing list of kitchen remodeling idea for you. Even small makeover may change the look of your kitchen immensely. Let's clear out one thing right at the beginning. Whether you live with a family or by yourself, the kitchen is the busiest space in our house. It is perfectly understandable as to why just life kitchen design also needs a breath of fresh air or simply a cost of fresh paint. But of course, a kitchen makeover is much more than that. Let us understand what exactly you need to change and how you can manage a complete kitchen makeover. Wondering how much will your kitchen remodels cost? I am going to talk about all in this video. Watch the video till end to get the most useful tip. Let's not delay, we will get into a video. Before that, please like, share and comment and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Hi, this is Yoga, your interior design mentor from IDEA. Be creative with new lighting. One of the most brilliant way to combine convenience with beauty of kitchen remodel is to be creative and smart with your kitchen lights. It is one of the most cost effective trick when it comes to kitchen remodeling ideas. The desired effect can be achieved by mixing and matching different fixtures in different spots in the kitchen. Depending on whether you are looking for ambient lighting or task lighting, you could plan the layout and the budget. There are countless kitchen lighting ideas. To combine task light with cost friendliness, we suggest going the LED ceiling lights route. Besides being eco-friendly, these lights save a lot of dollars on electricity bills. Make sure to install dimmer if you plan to spend some time eating dinner with your loved one in the dining area. Basically, whatever your budget or use, if you are looking to take your kitchen to the next level, it's time to hang something new lights. Picking new cabinet doors, refinancing and renovating a kitchen can be tricky affair. Not only do you have to decide what you must change, but you must also decide where to best spend your money. And dollar for dollar, new cabinet doors are one of the best investment. The reason is simple. Everyday cabinet doors are opened number of times and over a period. They suffer wear and tear. Even if the doors may not look old, the hinges, for example, tends to get loose. The one important reason why you should choose new cabinet doors, because if you want to keep your costs low, you can always consider buying ready to use doors, which are available in various colors, material and texture for easy of usage and low maintenance. You can also consider plywood. However, if you can afford to spend little more, proper wood like dark cherry wood cabinet would be the lovely option. If you are feeling eccentric and eclectic at the same time, well done, then you can consider getting rid of cabinet doors completely and instead opt for open shelf design. The choice, however, will require you to get new cabinets that are more suited to open frame designs. Paint update. A new touch of paint, updating hardware, doorknobs, cabinet or pull-outs and a couple of new appliances are the easiest way to do so. Kitchen paint ideas can guide you to update your kitchen in an extremely cost-effective way. While we pay a lot of attention to the paint we use in the house, the kitchen often tends to get ignored. Also, while the rest of the house may not need a repaint anytime soon, the wall of the kitchen undergoes a lot of abuse. Smoke, water, oil and the general traffic in the kitchen can begin to reflect onto a wall very soon. When painting a kitchen, remember that you should not attention to how the new color will gel with the rest of the house and whether the texture you pick will withstand oil and heat. This also ensures that you have complete control over the design. So get creative. When it comes to the color, it makes sense to spend some time picking the right color. Choose colors which create high visual impact and are in the line with food. Then there is a texture. Satin and semi-gloss are some of the best options when it comes to finish because they can be shiny, glossy enough to clean up, yet flat in its appearance to hide imperfection. New hardware can revelate a new kitchen, while new paint revitalizes your kitchen. This will also be a good time to consider changing your hardware in the kitchen. While cabinets can last a really long time, the same cannot be said about kitchen hardware. As a general rule, metal works much for hardware for the simple reason that it is well metal. It is durable, sturdy and resistant to minor bumps and knocks within a metal. However, you have lot of choices. Nickel and brass have a timeless appeal while steel is sleeker and more contemporary. This kitchen remodeling ideas will definitely save your money while renovating your kitchens. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.